My esteemed sister and brother judges, respected former judges of this court, Shri Satyapal Jain, Additional Solicitor General of India, the Advocate Generals of the State of Punjab and Haryana, Shri Vijayendra Singh Ahlawat, Chairman Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Shri Satdev Singh Narula, President High Court Bar Association, Shri Amit Jhanji, Senior Standing Counsel UT Chandigarh, Senior Advocates, members of the Bar, officers and staff of the High Court, and family members of the judges present today. We are assembled here to pay homage and to mourn the sad demise of late Justice Kuldip Singh, late Justice B. Ramaswami, late Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, late Justice Anand Prakash Chowdhri, late Justice Tej Pal Garg, all of whom in their respective tenures made remarkable contributions to the legal fraternity, shaping jurisprudence with their wisdom, integrity and unwavering commitment to justice. Their profound judgments, ethical leadership and commitment to uphold the rule of law will continue to inspire generations of legal professionals. Late Justice Kuldip Singh, a distinguished former judge of the Supreme Court of India, passed away on 25th November 2024 at the age of 92 years. Justice Kuldip Singh was born on the 1st of January 1932 in Dhudiyal village in Jammu district, now in Pakistan. Late Justice Kuldip Singh faced significant challenges during the partition of India. At the age of 15 years, he took up the responsibility of safely bringing his family to India amidst the partition chaos, as his father was absent at the relevant point of time. This experience transformed him into a responsible and determined individual who ensured his family's welfare. Initially, the family settled in Patiala, Punjab, where he worked in the consolidation department to support their livelihood. After his father returned, Justice Singh completed his schooling at Ramjas School, Delhi, and earned a law degree from Punjab University in 1955. Although his family encouraged him to join their business, he was passionate about practicing law and pursuing further education. In 1956, he went to London, completed a master's in law, passed the barrister at law examination, and was called to the bar at Lincoln's Inn in 1959. On return, he started practicing as an advocate in district courts Patiala, but later moved to Chandigarh, where he built a highly successful legal career with dedication and skill. He eventually became president of the Punjab and Haryana Bar Association in 1976-77. In 1987, he briefly served as Advocate General of Punjab before being appointed as the Additional Solicitor General of India. Justice Singh's tenure at the Supreme Court began in December 14, 1988, when he became a judge through a direct appointment, a rare occurrence in Indian judicial history. He was the fourth such appointee and the second Sikh judge after Justice R.S. Sarkaria. As a person, Justice Singh was remarkable for his ability to connect with people, inspire confidence and leave a lasting impression. He was deeply admired for his warmth, charisma and wisdom. Justice Singh earned the title of Green Judge due to his landmark judgments on environmental protection. He introduced principles like polluter pays, and the precautionary principle, holding industries accountable for environmental harm and emphasizing proactive measures to safeguard nature. His rulings on protecting Taj Mahal, combating river pollution, and promoting sustainable development showcased his visionary approach. The International Bar Association recognized his contribution to environmental protection and human rights in 1997, an honor shared only by Nelson Mandela. After retirement, Justice Singh served as chairman of the Delimitation Commission, ensuring fair representation in India's electoral boundaries. Though his passing created an irreparable void, his principles, courage, and legacy continues to inspire future generations. Late Justice Kuldip Singh is survived by his wife, Mrs. Gurminder Singh, two sons and two daughters. Justice Paramjit Singh Patwalia, former judge of this court, is presently practicing as a senior advocate in the Supreme Court, and Shri Dipender Singh Patwalia is practicing as a senior advocate in this court. Late Justice Veeraswamy Ramaswamy, a distinguished former judge of the Supreme Court, a former Chief Justice of this court, breathed his last on the 8th of March 2025 at the age of 96 years. Justice V. Ramaswamy was born on 15 February 1929. His father was a teacher and a farmer, and his mother a homemaker. He completed his schooling at Hindu High School, Srivali Puttur, and remained actively supportive of school's mission throughout his life. After earning a Bachelor of Commerce degree from the prestigious American College, Madurai, he earned the degree of law from Madras. He was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry on the 13th of July 1953. His private legal practice covered a broad spectrum including appellate, original and criminal matters involving both civil and criminal cases. In 1962, he was appointed additional government pleader representing the state government in numerous significant cases. His dedication and legal acumen led to his appointment as state public prosecutor in July 1969, one of the highest legal officers in the state. Justice Ramaswamy was elevated as a permanent judge of the Madras High Court on January 31st, 1971. During his 16-year tenure, he delivered several landmark judgments in constitutional law, torts, taxation and criminal law. In November 1987, he was appointed as Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. After serving as Chief Justice for 2 years, Justice Ramaswamy was elevated to the Supreme Court of India, where he served with distinction until his retirement in 1994. Late Justice Ramaswamy is survived by his 3 daughters and 2 sons. One of his sons, Sri Sanjay Ramaswamy, is a practicing advocate in Madras High Court. Late Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, a distinguished former judge of the Supreme Court, a former Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, and former Acting Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, breathed his last on the 21st of November 2024 at the age of 78 years. Late Justice Bedi was born on 5th September 1946 in Sahiwal, now in Pakistan. Directly descending from Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, his lineage is as illustrious as his own life's work. Late Justice Bedi did his schooling at Bishop Cottam School, Shimla, and did senior Cambridge in 1962. He was enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana in 1972, and his commitment to academic excellence was evident in his role as a part-time lecturer at Punjab University, where he contributed in shaping young legal minds. With an unwavering sense of fairness, integrity, and dedication, Justice Bedi laid the foundation of a distinguished career that continues to inspire generations of legal professionals. He served as Deputy Advocate General, later as Advocate General, roles in which he earned immense respect for his integrity and expertise. His exemplary services and deep understanding of law led to his appointment as an additional judge of this court on the 15th of March 1991, marking the beginning of an illustrious judicial tenure. Late Justice Bedi also served as the acting Chief Justice of this court before being elevated as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court on 3rd October 2006, and later as a judge of the Supreme Court on the 12th of January 2007. His Lordship's judicial career was marked with politeness, compassion, and courtesy towards all who appeared before him, earning him the title of Gentleman Judge. His contributions to the legal field will continue to inspire others, and the absence of such a great legal luminary shall be immensely missed. Late Justice Bedi is survived by two sons, Justice Jasjeet Singh Bedi, a sitting judge of this court, and Sri Sarabjit Singh Bedi, who is in finance business. Late Justice Anand Prakash Chowdhri, a distinguished former judge of this court, left for his heavenly abode on the 3rd of December 2024 at the age of 91 years. Late Justice Chowdhry was born on the 19th of November 1932. He did his schooling from Dayanand College, Hisar, and graduation from DAV College, Jalandhar. He obtained LLB degree from Delhi University and served the legal profession with dedication and integrity. He got enrolled as an advocate in October 1956 and later joined as judicial magistrate on the 1st of July 1957. Throughout his career, he held several key positions including judicial magistrate first class, senior sub-judge, and deputy registrar of this court. He contributed as a law officer at the Law Commission of India and as legal remembrancer, Chandigarh administration for 5 years from 73 to 78. He also held the position of joint legal remembrancer and joint secretary to the government of Haryana from 78 to 79. He worked as district and sessions judge from 1979 to 1984 and later as a judge, Special Court Chandigarh for 1 year. He was elevated as a permanent judge of this court on the 4th of May 1988, where he served until 1st April 1995. During his tenure, he delivered significant judgments that contributed to the development of legal framework. After retirement, he was appointed as President of the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, New Delhi, in April 1995, where he worked towards strengthening consumer rights and justice. He further served as the chairman of the Dealers Selection Board, Haryana, under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, from 1999 to 2000. His lifelong contributions to the judiciary and public service left a lasting impact on the legal community. Late Justice Chowdhry is survived by his two sons, Shri Ajay Chowdhry and Shri Deepak, Chowdhri. Late Justice Tej Pal Garg, a distinguished former judge of this court, left for his heavenly abode on the 24th of January 2025 at the age of 89 years. Late Justice Garg was born on the 14th of January 1936 at Palwal, Haryana. He did his graduation from Vaish College, Bhiwani, and Master in Economics from Kirori Mal College, University of Delhi. At a young age of 24 years, he joined the Punjab Civil Service Executive in 1960 and became a magistrate. He was transferred to the Judicial Service, Haryana, on 2nd October 1964. He worked as additional District and Sessions Judge and District and Sessions Judge from June 83 to January 1993. He also worked as Legal Remembrancer and Secretary to the Government of Haryana from January 1993 till his elevation as High Court Judge on the 20th of June 1994. He was transferred to Allahabad High Court on July 21st, 1994. Late Justice Garg retired on the 14th of January 1998. Even in retirement, his sense of duty never faded. For 13 years, he continued to serve the country, lending his wisdom to pivotal cases that impacted tens of thousands of lives. The Tabbali school fire tragedy, where he ensured accountability and compassion for families devastated by the blaze, stands as a testament to his compassion. His work on the 1984 Sikh riots cases, advocating for justice and government compensation for victims, and one of India's darkest chapters, reflects the profound depth of his commitment to fairness and dignity. Each case he took on wasn't just a professional task, it was a mission to restore faith in humanity and the law. His life was a testament to dedication, integrity, and boundless love for his family and country. Late Justice Garg is survived by his two sons and a daughter, Sri Dinesh Garg, Sri Rajesh Garg, and Miss Upasna Badla. On occasions such as this, we are always at a loss of words to do justice to the immense contributions of these great judges and human beings to the justice delivery system and judicial ecosystem. The knowledge and understanding of law of these great judges is beautifully portrayed in the judgments authored by them, which serve as a reference point till date. In all humility, we commemorate the life journey of these great individuals and pay tribute to them for their immense contribution to the legal fraternity. It is apt to say that all of them had a life well lived and a life that shall always have a special place in the history and legal fraternity, and that they shall be remembered as shining examples for others. They would always be remembered as perfect gentlemen, great leaders, and outstanding jurists. On behalf of my colleagues and myself, the officers and staff of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, I place on record our heartfelt condolences to the members of bereaved families. May God give them strength and fortitude to their families to bear a great loss. I pray that the departed souls may rest in eternal peace.
Hon'ble Mr. Justice Singh, Chief Justice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Hon'ble Judges, Hon'ble former Judges, Advocate General Punjab, Advocate General Haryana, President High Court Bar Association, Chairman Bar Council, and my esteemed colleagues. Today we are assembled here to pay our tributes and to condole the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, former Judge Supreme Court, former Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, and former Acting Chief Justice of Punjab Haryana High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip, former Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice B. Ramaswami, former Chief Justice of this court, and Honorable Mr. Justice A. P. Chowdhri, and Honorable Mr. Justice K. Garg, former judges of Punjab and Haryana High Court. All the judges mentioned above were very prominent personalities, and they served the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court both as lawyers and as judges to the best of their ability and capacity. Various judgments delivered by them are often quoted in various cases even today. I had the privilege of having long association with all of them. All of them were perfect gentlemen, well-behaved, cultured, humble, soft-spoken, and highly communicative. They were always popular personalities among their colleagues in every walk of life, maybe the college, the university, the bar, and the bench. Justice Kuldip Singh served this bar for a very long time as a very sharp and articulate lawyer who will always be well prepared with his case. He was elevated as ASG and later as a judge of the Supreme Court of India. As a judge, while hearing cases, he was very communicative with the bar and always open to conviction. His various judgments, especially on uniform civil code and Hinduism is a way of life, are often cited in various courts as well as in various debates, discussions in different institutions including parliament and state legislatures. However, in spite of all qualities of head and heart, it is a hard reality of life that each one of us have to leave this world one day or the other. They also left their heavenly abode after contributing their best to our motherland. It was rightly said in Ramayana by Guru Vasishtha, "Sundre bharat bhavi prabal bilk ke nath, hani labh jivan mara yas apnesh vidha." And in Gurvani, "Rana rao na ko rahe, rang na tu fakir, bari apo apno koi na bane tigir." I, on my behalf and on behalf of the Government of India, pay tributes to him and pray to the Almighty God to grant peace to the departed souls and give enough strength and courage to the bereaved families to bear this unbearable shock. May their souls rest in peace.
Honorable Chief Justice Sri Srinath, Honorable Judges, Honorable Former Judges, Garg Additional Solicitor General of India, Garg Advocate General Haryana, Chairman Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Garg President Bar Association of Punjab and Haryana High Court, Garg Senior Advocates, Garg members of the Bar, officers and staff of the High Court, and respected members of the bereaved families. Today, we have gathered here to pay our deepest respect to Honorable Mr. Justice B. Ramaswami. Mr. Justice V. Ramaswami, belonging to state of Tamil Nadu, was born on 15 February 1929. After his schooling at Hindu High School, Shri Putra, his lordships went to American College, Madurai, and then to Law College, Madras. His lordships were enrolled as an advocate of the Honorable High Court. On 13 July 1953, lordship practiced civil and criminal law both appellate division at Honorable Madras High Court. His lordship remained as additional government pleader from 6 September 1962 and then state public prosecutor from 11 July 1969. His lordship were appointed as permanent judge of Honorable High Court, Madras High Court on 31st of January 1971. After his tenure of more than 16 years, his lordships were appointed as the Chief Justice of this Honorable Court on 12th November 1987. Thereafter, his lordship was appointed as judge of the Honorable Supreme Court on 6th of October 1989 and finally retired on 14th February 1994. At the age of 96, his lordships left us all on Sunday, 8th of March 2025. Justice V. Ramaswami was a man of profound knowledge and judicial acumen. His tenure as a judge was marked by deep commitments to the principles of justice, fairness, and constitutional values. Your lordships, in landmark judgment while presiding over the full bench in the matter of Jaswant and State of Punjab, had upheld the right of scheduled caste candidates to compete with general category candidates in respect of posts which were not reserved. Lordship judgment reflecting his vast legal understanding and his unwavering dedication to uphold rule of law. Today, while we mourn his passing, let us also celebrate his life by remembering his contribution to this Honorable High Court. His Lordship would always be remembered for his contribution in extension of High Court building during his tenure as Chief Justice. His Lordship's name inscribed on the inauguration board outside court number 1 would not let us forget Lordship's name for long times to come. I, on behalf of Shri Gurvinder Singh, General Advocate General Punjab, on behalf of law officers, and also on behalf of staff of Officer Advocate General Punjab, convey my heartfelt condolences to the members of the family. May Lordship's rest soul in eternal peace.
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Honorable former judges of this court, Shri Satyapal Jain, Additional Solicitor General of India, Gurvinder Singh, Advocate General Punjab, Shri Vijender Arawat, Chairman Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Shri Satyesh Singh Arula, President Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association, members of the bar, members of the bereaved families and friends. We have gathered here today to pay homage to our revered and illustrious honorable judges, namely Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip Singh, former Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramaswami, former Judge Supreme Court of India and former Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, former Judge Supreme Court of India, former Chief Justice of Bombay High Court and former Acting Chief Justice of this court, Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Chowdhri and Honorable Mr. Justice Tej Garg, former judges of this court, who left for heavenly abode during the recent past. I pay my respectful tributes to them. It is a privilege and honor for me to pay tributes especially to Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, a stalwart of the Indian judiciary. Born on September 5, 1946, Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi hailed from a family with a strong judicial legacy. His father, Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, served as a judge of this court. His legacy instilled in him the values of justice, equality, and fairness. His illustrious career spanned over 4 decades with significant contributions in the field of law. He began his legal journey in 1972, enrolling as an advocate with the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, and practiced in criminal, writ, and other civil matters before this court. He was appointed Deputy Advocate General Punjab in 1983. His expertise and dedication earned him the designation of Senior Advocate in 1987. He had also served as Additional Advocate General and Advocate General Punjab in 1990. He was appointed as a judge of this court on March 15, 1991, and was also appointed Acting Chief Justice of this court. He was appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court of Bombay on 3rd of October 2006. His elevation as a judge of the Supreme Court in 2007 marked the pinnacle of his judicial career, during which he delivered landmark judgments, especially on constitutional law, criminal law, and human rights laws. As we remember his remarkable journey, we honor his legacy, his contributions to the legal fraternity, Indian judiciary, and his unwavering commitment to justice. He was greatly admired and widely respected by the members of the bar as a courteous, benevolent, and outstanding judge. His passing leaves a void in our legal landscape, but his work and principles continue to inspire generations of legal professionals. May his legacy continue to guide us as we strive to uphold the principles of justice and equality. He is survived by his sons, Honorable Mr. Justice Jasdeep Singh Bedi, a judge of this court, and Mr. Sarabjit Singh Bedi, a chartered accountant by profession. I, on behalf of Government of Haryana and my own behalf, place on record heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved families. May God bestow peace to the departed soul.
Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Honorable Mr. Justice C. Naguji, all the Honorable Judges, Honorable former Judges, Advocate General Haryana Sri Pravendra Chauhan ji, Sri Satyapal Jain ji, Additional Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate General Punjab, President High Court Bar Association, Sri Satyesh Singh Arula, Honorable Senior Advocates, Honorable Members of the Bar and Legal Fraternity, and members of the Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip Singh, Honorable Mr. Justice Ramaswami ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi ji, Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Chowdhri ji, and Honorable Mr. Justice Garg ji. Respected ladies and gentlemen, and each and every distinguished member. Today we have gathered here to pay tribute to our most respected and loved five distinguished legal luminaries. Paying tribute to these honorable judges feels overwhelming not because words fall short, but because there is too much to say. Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip Singh ji, famously known as the Green Judge, his lordship was known for his fearless defense of human rights and his contribution to environmental law. Contribution have strengthened our Indian judiciary's role in safeguarding justice and constitutional values. Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramaswamy ji made significant contribution to Indian jurisprudence during his tenure as an honorable judge. Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi, fondly remembered as brother of fellow honorable judges, always had the most gentle and approachable nature in and out of the courtroom. Known for his politeness, commitment to justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Bedi earned affection both within the legal community and among the public. Now the same fondness people had for him in both professional and personal circle is very proudly being carried forward by a proud son, Honorable Mr. Justice Singh Bedi. Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Chowdhri ji was born on 19 November 1932 and his primary and secondary education from Jain College, Sad, and later on graduated from DAV College, Hon'ble. Honorable Justice A.P. Chowdhri ji was also a topper in law from University of Delhi, and he was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1956. His lordship held various important posts as subordinate judge first class, judicial magistrate first class, senior subordinate judge, joint registrar judicial high court, law officer, law commission of India, and LR. His lordship elevated as judge High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh on 4th April 1988 and worked till 31st March 1995. His Lordship was appointed President of the Consumer Dispute Universal Commission, New Delhi. His Lordship later worked as Chairman of Village Election Board, Haryana, constituted by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, New Delhi. His Lordship always served with distinction and was known to be both decisive and humble among his colleagues. His Lordship was a simple and contented person. He loved singing and was fond of zero and shari. He was a keen golfer also. Honorable Mr. Justice Singh, former Judge of Hon'ble High Court, having had strong academic foundation. I, on behalf of the members of the Bar Council of Punjab, Haryana, and all the advocates of Punjab and Haryana and Chandigarh, and on my own behalf, place on record our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved families and pray to God to give peace to the departed souls of our honorable judges, namely Sri Justice Kuldip Singh ji, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramaswamy ji, Honorable Mr. Justice Harjit Singh Bedi ji, Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Chowdhry, and Honorable Mr. Justice H. Ji. Finally, let us not mourn the dying of the flame, but celebrate how brightly it burned. इन महान विभूतियों के संदर्भ में यही कहते हैं कि अच्छे लोग दिलों में इस तरह उतर जाते हैं, अच्छे लोग दिलों में इस तरह उतर जाते हैं कि मरने के बाद भी अमर हो जाते हैं। वक्त के साथ जख्म तो भर जाएंगे, वक्त के साथ जख्म तो भर जाएंगे, मगर जो पिछड़े सफर जिंदगी में फिर न कभी लौट कर आएंगे, मगर जो पिछड़े सफर जिंदगी में फिर कभी नहीं लौट कर।
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of this Court, esteemed former judges and legal luminaries, the Additional Solicitor General, Union of India, the Advocate General Haryana, the Additional Advocate General Punjab, Senior Standing Counsel UP Chandigarh, the Chairman and members of the Bar Council, Senior Advocates, distinguished members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen, and the families of our proud, honorable judges for whom we pay tribute today. We gather here primarily to pay tribute to 5 pillars of our nation, namely Justice Kuldip Singh, Justice V. Ramaswamy, Justice H.S. Bedi, Justice A.P. Chowdhri, and Justice T.P. Garg. All judges are never, but we all in the Punjab and Haryana High Court are especially fond of 2 great friends. The names are Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip Singh and Honorable Mr. Justice H.S. Bedi, and whose glory this bar, especially me and all my colleagues here, we continue to invest in their glory. Even death couldn't end their friendship, and let me share here that Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldip Singh, even at the age of 93, in a wheelchair, attended the last rites of Honorable Mr. Justice Bedi, and within a few days, he joined him in the heavens. Their friendship has left us an immense void, and their not being here is a great loss to the entire bar of Punjab and Haryana High Court. Talking of Justice T.P. Garg, he was born pre-independence in Palwal in the erstwhile state of province of Punjab. Justice Garg's remarkable journey began with graduation from Bash College, Bhiwani, and later a master's degree in economics from Chowdhri College, Delhi University. His illustrious career spanned over 4 decades, having joined PCS executive in the year 1960. He was transferred to judicial services in the year 1964 and allocated to Haryana on the formation of the state on November 1, 1966. His lordship was promoted to the Haryana Judicial Services to finally be elevated as a judge of this honorable court in the year 1994. His lordship retired from Allahabad High Court, where he stood transferred in January 1998. Even in retirement, Justice Garg continued to serve the nation. His commitment to justice and humanity shone brightly in his works, particularly in the Dabwal School fire tragedy and 1984 riots. His tireless efforts ensured accountability, compensation, and dignity for victims and their families. We offer, on behalf of the entire bar, our heartfelt condolences to the family of the honorable judges, and we pray that the Almighty grants them consolation and strength. May their memory remain a cherished blessing, inspiring us to emulate their remarkable qualities. Thank you.
As a mark of respect to the departed souls, we shall observe 2 minutes silence.